Hi everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Cactus Minute. In today's episode we are looking at Submachicana ornatiaca, this beautiful creature here which has a very unusual flower, very much tube-like, and they are generally in tones of yellow, orange, and sometimes a little bit of peach colour in there as well, like we've got with this one here, a little bit of pink on the tips. Beautiful cactus, nice shiny body with dense spines that aren't too hard but still pretty sharp. In terms of care, I found this to be a very easy cactus to care for. It's growing in near full mineral mix, and water requirements fairly low to moderate. They appreciate strong light, as do most cacti, and fairly rapidly growing, although mine are somewhat stunted because I'm notorious for not potting things up or repotting things when they need it. These needed to be repotted about a year ago, but I think they're probably good for another year. As you can see, the body's nice and shiny. We've got dense spines. Absolutely incredible. So again, it's Submachicana ornatiaca. Definitely a nice little one to have in the collection. So it's got that classic cactus look, you know. Alright everyone, thanks for watching, and as always, happy gardening. Bye.